Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to talk about Botox in a bottle. Yes, you heard me right. I'm talking about one of my favorite eye serums of all time. Very quickly, without wasting your time, I'm gonna be sharing my feedback, my brutally honest review of The Ordinary's Argireline 10% solution. Make sure that you do watch the video till the very end, because this video is gonna be very short, crisp, to the point, without wasting your time. And I will share my personal experience. I've been using the serum for the past 3 months, and I'll be brutally honest in sharing my review of the serum, the outcome that it has shown on my face, and what are the precautions that you have to take, and from where you can buy it at the best rate possible. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. And one YouTube secret: subscribing to my channel is absolutely free, so don't hesitate, don't think much. This is how the bottle looks like. This is the standard 30 ml size that they have. This is the only size they have, and at the back they have written the instructions. Talking about the packaging, it comes in a glass bottle, a very thick glass bottle, but I think this is not too travel friendly, so you have to be extra cautious whenever you travel with this or any of the Ordinary skincare products, except a few like vitamin C and all, because they come in plastic bottles. Now, understanding how the Argireline solution works: Argireline solution basically does nothing but freezes your facial muscles around the eyes, or wherever you would have applied it, and it calms down the tensed muscles. It relaxes and it kind of freezes your muscles so that you don't get wrinkles, or whatever wrinkles you have, it kind of smooths out the pre-existing wrinkles on your face. Now, one of the good things about this serum is that you can apply one or two more serums with this serum if you think that you need more brightness. Of course, this serum will not give you brightness, so you can pair this serum with two more serums or two more creams as well if you wish to. How I use it: I apply this serum during the daytime and at the night time, right after washing and toning my face. And after applying this serum, I go ahead and apply my Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle night cream, and at daytime I use Olay cream, so I apply that. I've also reviewed Neutrogena's night cream. I'll link it somewhere here. You can go and check after this video my in-depth, brutally honest review of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Moisturizer. I've been using one eye cream specially meant for anti-aging purposes, but I did not see any results, so I stopped using that eye cream, and I shifted to the Argireline solution along with my Olay and Neutrogena day and night creams. And trust me, guys, I saw brilliant results, and this is something that I would suggest you if you buy this, and you can pair it with your regular moisturizer, day and night moisturizer. If you use this serum, trust me, guys, you do not need any other eye cream meant for anti-aging purposes, because this cream is sufficient enough, provided you use your moisturizer after using this. Now let me come a little closer and show to you the effect it has on my under eye wrinkles. I'm sure that you're not able to see any wrinkles at all. There are very light wrinkles that are still there under my eyes, but it will eventually go, I'm sure of, once I use it for another month. All over the world, if there is one serum, one eye serum that is meant specially for anti-aging, and which is affordable, brilliantly priced, which is a no marketing, no gimmick kind of a serum, I would suggest this one. Tops the list. To see a proper result, you have to give this serum 1 month, but trust me, your 1 month will not go waste. This serum is not one of the serums that will claim to give you instant results and will not do anything at all. In fact, this serum says to use it continuously at least for a month to see great results. And guys, I've tried so many under eye creams, I've tried so many serums, eye serums meant for anti-aging, but nothing gave me the result as this serum. This serum literally transformed my eye game. I did have crow's feet around my eyes and little bit of wrinkles around my forehead, which eventually faded away, and I was extremely impressed by the formula, the quality of this serum. The serum worked brilliantly on my wrinkles, and I did have few deep setted wrinkles that went away after using it for 1 month. Now as you can see guys, the texture is very runny and little bubbly as well if you see inside the dropper. And as per the Ordinary's website, I'm going to read it. It is alcohol free, it is oil free, it is silicone free, nut free, it's completely vegan, it's gluten free, and of course it's cruelty free. When a serum is oil free, it means that it's literally like water. There is no fragrance, there is no thickness to the serum texture, and when you apply the serum on your face, it tends to absorb just like water very fast, just like your normal toner, normal watery toner. Personally guys, if you ask me, I prefer water based serum, water based toners instead of creamy toners or creamy serum, because I find the water based solution to be much more effective because of the faster penetration on my skin. Now I'm going to read from their website. Argiline trademark improves the appearance of facial areas prone to developing dynamic folds, including under the eyes and in the forehead areas. Talking about the directions, they say apply a few drops on the forehead and around the eyes twice daily before your heavier treatments. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. Use only as directed on unbroken skin. Patch testing prior to use is advised. Now talking about precautions guys, I am normal skin type and I have oily T-zone area, but I am not sensitive skin. Products do not show their adverse effect very quickly on my skin, which is I'm really thankful for. But I must add over here that I've been using this product since almost 3 months. The Argiline solution 10% is not something that you should be afraid of. This does not have any harsh chemicals, or it doesn't have any AHA or BHA or any kind of exfoliating agents in it. In fact, it's one of the most subtle, one of the most soothing face serums that I have ever used. So if you are in two minds, don't be, because you'll be very pleased to see that it really works on normal to dry to oily to sensitive skin greatly. For my extra sensitive beauties, I would just suggest you to go for a small patch test around your wrist area or around your neck, and next day you can see if you do not have any redness around your neck or around your wrist area, then you are absolutely okay to go ahead and try this serum. Other than that, trust me guys, you do not need to worry about this serum at all. No matter what videos you've been seeing about this Argiline solution 10%, I can guarantee you that it's not one of the harming serums. From my experience guys, I can definitely suggest you to go for this serum. Do not worry, do not be afraid thinking that it may have any harmful chemical or any AHA, BHA of that sort. This serum is absolutely safe to use, and if you still are not sure, go do a patch test. Now talking about the availability and from where you can buy it, you can buy it from Cult Beauty, because I completely trust the authenticity of Cult Beauty products, and that's where you will get the cheapest rate. I paid somewhere around 550 to 560 for this serum. Talking about the delivery time guys, the delivery may take up to 1 month, because Cult Beauty is an international website, and if you live in Asia Pacific like me, I'm from India, I bought it and I waited for almost 1 month. I think that's the only drawback of any international websites, the delivery time. And you can totally trust the Cult Beauty website. Their customer service also is fabulous, and I did not pay any custom duty at all. If you buy any product from any of the international website for less than 1000 INR, then you do not have to pay any custom charges at all, and delivery in fact becomes much faster, less hassle. So that was a hack for you. So that was my brutally honest review of the Argiline Solution 10%, guys. If you have liked the video, if you think that this video was helpful in any which ways, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because as I told you earlier, subscribing to my channel is absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything at all. And do hit the like button and comment what else you want me to review, or if you have used this product, or if you're planning to use. If you have any questions, drop me a comment, guys. I look forward to speak to you over there, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your people, and I love you all so much.